Yeah, only in Oregon, yeah. On the East Coast. Why do you keep chickens? That's so rural. All right, so let's see. Let's see if we can predict with one die in our hands. Take one of your 3 dice. Now, if we roll that die, experiment number 4.
Oregon is 5.
Number 5. Sorry, I'm doing 2 things at once: thinking and writing, which is a bad idea. Let's say we're betting on one number on a die roll. Pick a number. Pick one of the numbers on a single die. 5 it is. 5 it is. We are betting. Roll a die. Bet on 5. We can do 6 if you want. But I wrote it down 5. It's okay. So, if we had to pay to play this game, say pay $1 to play this game, is this the kind of game Vegas would enjoy you to play?
Yes.
Yes, why?
Because there's only a 1 in 6 chance.
Which means there's a...
5 and 6, 1, 6.
Which means on average, how much is Vegas making off of you every time you play this game?
A lot on average.
Well, how much? Quantify it for me. So let's say this. Let's say this, right? Let's actually sketch this out. Let's sketch this out, okay? Let's go x equals number of 5s you rolled. Now, if you're only rolling one die, you're either not going to get 5 at all, or you're going to get 5 one time. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So if you throw a single die, you're either not going to get 5, or you are going to get 5. 0, 1. I'm making it a chicken. I'm making it a chicken and a rooster. You're either not going to get a girl, or you are going to get a girl, essentially. Is that fair? I wasn't going to make it chickens, but the chickens went over pretty well, so I think we'll stick with chicken kind of mentality. Okay? What's the probability of getting that many? So let's just see. What's the chance of not rolling a 5? Not rolling a 5. 5 out of 6, isn't it? Which means there's a 1 in 6 chance. Let's see if we can see what that means. Everybody, grab your die. Roll it one time. How many of you got 5s? How many of you got 5s? Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 21. 4 out of 21. Put that over here. 4 out of 21. Roll them again. Same die. Same one, different die. Just roll one die, whatever you do. How many 5s you get this time? 1, 2, 3, 4. Same number, but different people. Roll them again. How many 5s did we get this time? 1, 2, 3 out of 21?
4.
4 out of 21. Same number, but different people again. Roll them again. Your dice is... Wait, why?
It only lands on 3 every time.
You should have bet on 3 then.
Look at 3.
You got a 3 again? Are you sure it has different numbers on it? I mean, because every once in a while, Monty, you know I'm talking to you, the one I'm talking about chicks, hanging the chicks upside, he's a statistician. He'll sneak weird dice into this bin. He knows where I keep them.
No, it's a regular die, but it might be weighted.
Well, they're all weighted by definition because the way they make the holes, the dots, is they drill out. So, in other words, what number, theoretically speaking, what number is most likely to come up? 6. Because opposite 6 is 1, which means 1 has the most mass on its side. Which means physics says it's on average going to get pulled down more. Isn't that kind of cool? But the idea is there's so little mass removed. It's kind of like the fact that I'm exerting gravity on the Earth right now because I have mass. So come on, Earth. Come pull towards my ponytail. It's not going to happen because of the differential. So we get to go that low. How many 5s did we get that time? 2 out of 21. Do it again. A couple more trials. We're going to add fractions the wrong way. Julie Keener hates when I do this. How many of you guys had Julie Keener at some point in your careers?
I did.
Good. She hates it when I do this with fractions. We're going to add fractions the wrong way. How many 5s that time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5s. Do it a couple more times. 5s. 4 again? Good, good. Couple more. Roll again. Excellent. Excellent. Good. 2, 3,
Oh, no, I got one too. I'm
4.
sorry.
Oh my god.
Do it again. I love the fact that we keep getting 4, but it's always different people. I shouldn't say always. It's often different people.
That's freaking 3 again.
Oh my god.
2. All right, friends, if
One
you
more.
beat...
One more.
One more. 3. How many we got? 8. Let's make it 10, just because I seem to like that number. Do it 2 more times. Out of 21 each. I'm doing 21, right? Am I using the right number in the bottom? I think I am. 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 22. These should actually be 22s. Sorry.
What? Oh, he just
I just
came in.
recounted.
He just came in and he's not.
Oh, wait. Who just came in?
He did.
Oh,
He's not
wait.
rolling.
Well,
He's
then,
not rolling.
hell, we're going to get 21.
Yeah, he's not rolling, so.
Call him out, Dina. Way to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time.
You're observant.
Damn. Good seeing you, Mike. Get the hell out. How many 5s? How many 5s? We got 3 5s that time. Okay, friends, if you would, add these fractions the wrong way. When I say that, out of 210, how many 5s? So when I just added the denominators, this is what Julie hates. I hate when I do this. So we did 210 trials, correct?
Yeah.
210 trials. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12, 14, 19, 23,
37.
37 out of 210 to the nearest decimal. What is that? I can't do that. It's far too far out of my...
0.1.
0.17 or 0.18.
18%?
Yeah.
Not bad, because what should it be theoretically? Not 17%. 16.666%. About 17%. Which means we essentially are rolling consistently and fairly consistently with what we should be getting, assuming the dice are fair. So even though Mel's die was misbehaving over there, even though it's misbehaving, it's still, as a whole, you're just one of those cool, fluky little, I just heard Pat Benatar 10 times in a row situations. Very, very cool. I'd like to share something with you. Because I told you to pick a number. I said pick a number between the 1 and the 6, and we're going to bet on that. I want to come back